Hello students, my name is Anthony Christian and I am your teacher. Today I am going to teach you the poem in unit number 4 of class 10 textbook, and the name of the poem is Amanda, and you can open your textbook to see the poem as we are learning together. The name of the poet is Robin Klein. Robin Klein, and some difficult words are also given here. Let's look at the difficult words. Languid, it means relaxed. Drifting, it means moving slowly. Pattern, it means to make pattern with finger or with pen or something. And tranquil, it means to calm down. Okay, let's go to the poem. And before we read the poem, some information is given here in this blue box. Let's read it. Every child feels that he or she is controlled and instructed not to do one thing or another. It happens in our house that elderly person or mother or father, they always give you some instruction to do certain things and not to do certain things, and sometimes we feel that they are bullying us. Sometimes we feel that the control is too much, and some people may not like it. You too may feel that your freedom is curtailed, it means it is controlled by somebody else. Write down some of the things you want to do, but your parents or elderly person do not allow you to do it in the house. To read the poem aloud from pairs, each reading alternative stanza, you are in for a surprise. It means you will find all the surprise because the same thing may happen to you in the house. That is why from this poem you will find some surprise. Okay, so Amanda is the name of the girl. Don't bite your nail, Amanda. This is the instruction that we always hear in the house. Don't haunch your shoulder. Haunch means bring your shoulder up like this. Stop that slouching and sit up straight. It means don't drag yourself and sit up straight, Amanda. The second stanza. There is a languid. Languid means relax. Languid, there is a relaxed emerald sea where the sole inhabitant is me. It means there is a place where emerald is the color, type of color. It is between blue and green, so it's like kind of turquoise color. In that sea, Amanda is imagining that the only person who is staying there, it is me, and a mermaid drifting blissfully, and she is assuming that she is a mermaid and she is drifting. It means moving blissfully, happily, joyfully. So this second stanza, it is actually her imagination, and the first stanza, it is the reality in her house. Now the third stanza. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Another shouting from the house. Did you tidy your room, Amanda? Did you clean? Tidy means to clean. Did you clean your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. It means she has not cleaned the shoes also. These are all instructions that we receive in the house. Now her imagination is in the fourth stanza. I am an orphan roaming the street. Here why she is saying orphan? It means because she doesn't want anybody to control her. That is why she is assuming that there is nobody above her and she is roaming in the street alone. I pattern soft dust with my huge bare feet. It means with my feet I am going to draw a pattern on the ground in the dust. That is the way she wants to enjoy. The silence is golden and she wants to stay calm, peacefully, silently, and the freedom is sweet. Here, which kind of freedom? A freedom where nobody is telling her to do anything. That kind of freedom is very sweet to her. And the fifth stanza. Now again in the house, this is the reality. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne. Acnes are the pimple that you get on the face. Remember you have acne on the face. Will you please look at me when I am speaking to you, Amanda? Okay, all these are instructions that we are receiving in the house. Now in the sixth stanza, where she is again assuming or imagining that she is Rapunzel. Rapunzel is the queen in one of the cartoon movie. She is the queen. So she is just imagining that she is that queen. I have not a care. It means he doesn't have to think about anybody. Life in a tower is tranquil. Life in the tower is very calm, very peaceful, and very rare. Why it is rare? Because not everybody can get the life of a queen. I will certainly never let down my bright hair. Now, in that cartoon, what happens if you have seen the movie? She has very long hair and she wanted to bring the prince up on the tower. So she threw her hair down and the prince took the hair and came up. Now, here she is imagining that, of course, she wants to become Rapunzel, but she doesn't want to throw her hair down to for her prince to climb up. That is just imagining of a child is mind. Okay, then the last stanza says, stop that slugging at once, Amanda, you are always so moody. Slucky means making a kind of face. Okay, don't make that kind of face, Amanda, you are always moody. Moody, it means somebody whose mood is changing all the time. Anyone would think that I nugget at you. Nugget means I bully at you, Amanda. So this is the instruction from her mother or father or elderly person. The name is not given here, but we can assume that any elderly person in the house who is always shouting on children, and that is why this child, she has written this poem. Okay, now Robin has written this poem on Amanda, who thinks that she has been bullied by the elderly person in the house. Okay, so this is the poem, is quite easy. Some words are quite difficult, so try to read the word. Okay, and remember that stanza 1, 3, 5, all these stanzas are and 7, yes, all these stanzas are the stanzas where the reality is where she has been bullied in the house, and the stanza 2, 4, 6 where she has the imagination of what she wants to be and how she wants to live the life, that is given here. This is the children's imagination, and sometime we must try to fulfill some at least at some level, and not all the time bully children. Okay, thank you so much.